They are one of the last remaining forest-dwelling indigenous peoples in Kenya. For years, they were pitted against competing interests of conservationists and politicians. They were routinely smoked out of the Mau Forest complex in the Rift Valley without consultation and often without compensation. In the coldest of months, the displaced community buried countless infants and their elders who couldn't bear the harsh weather in the makeshift camps. The upheavals prompted 35,000 of them to seek justice under the African Charter on Human and People's Rights, to which Kenya is a signatory. They alleged 8 violations of their rights to life, property, natural resources, development, religion and culture by the Kenyan government. It was later referred to the African Court on the basis that it demonstrated serious and mass human rights violations. The executive director of the Ogiek People's Development Program, Daniel Kabei, said, and I quote, "For the Ogiek, this is history in the making. The issue of Ogiek land rights has finally been heard, and the case has empowered them to feel relevant." The court rejected claims by the government that the hunter-gatherer community posed danger to East Africa's largest water tower, the Mau Forest Complex. The ruling stated that the Ogiek have a spiritual, emotional and economic attachment to the forest. They rely on it for food, shelter and identity. Amnesty International's Regional Director for East Africa, the Horn and the Great Lakes, Muthoni Wanyeki, said, and I quote, "Today's ruling is a historic victory for the Ogiek community and gives hope to all indigenous peoples everywhere." But a ruling is not enough, she added. It must be respected. The Kenyan government must now implement the ruling and let the Ogiek live freely on their ancestral land. Sylvia Chebet, Citizen Weekend.